All right, you guys, I'm going to need you to follow with me just for a little bit. Trust the process. Know that we're going to get there. Today, we're talking about how to find the area of a trapezoid. Now, remember, trapezoids can look like this, or they might look like this. Not that. That's a rectangle. Maybe like that. Both of those can be trapezoids. Now, the way we find the area of a trapezoid, I'm just going to get right into our formula. Our formula is area equals 1/2 of the height times base 1 plus base 2. 1/2 of the height times base 1 plus base 2. Another way you can write this, and the way that might be easier, is base 1 plus base 2 times the height, all divided by 2. So either one of these are going to be what we're looking at. So let me write this down on our formula sheet here really quick so we can move along. So we're going to go area of trapezoid is area equals base 1 plus base 2 times the height, all divided by 2. All right, now that we've got that down, give you a second to write it down if you need to. Pause the video if that's where we're at. All good stuff. Now, let's look at what that means. All right, leave our formula up here. Let me draw out a trapezoid. All right, on this trapezoid, I have some different parts. I have 2 bases on this trapezoid. I've got a base there, and I've got a base here. Those are base 1 and base 2. I've got a height, which is the difference between my 2 bases. Okay, so here's my height. That is my height. And then I'm going to divide all those things by 2. So if I start putting values here, let's say I have 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 4 centimeters. 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Okay, I know I have 2 bases, base 1 and base 2, or base 1 and base 2. I don't really care which one is base 1 or base 2. I just know that one of them is going to be base 1 and one of them is going to be base 2. And that's all I care. Because when I add them up, it doesn't actually matter which one is which. Okay, so the 2 bases you're going to add together. So we're gonna fill all of our things in here. Here's a base, here's a base, here's a height. So this is going to be 5 plus 7 times 4, all divided by 2. And now we go order of operations. 5 plus 7 is 12 times 4 divided by 2. 12 times 4 is 48 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24 centimeters squared. All right, 24 centimeters squared. Now, let's try another one, okay? It's just as simple. It's just going to be practicing doing this, okay? Knowing what part is what, and then how to plug all those things in, and then what our answer would become. So let me go with a, let's go with some kind of maroony one. Okay, let's go with this, and we'll say we have a, this is going to be 8 inches, this is going to be 10 inches, and my height here is going to be 5 inches. What is my base 1? What is base 1? Yeah, base 1 is either 8 inches or 10 inches. Let's say we're going to call base 1 8 inches. So what is base 2? Well, base 2 would then be 10 inches. Okay, so when I write this out, I'm going to say base 1, 8 inches plus 10 inches times the height. What is my height? Well, that is 5 inches, all divided by 2. All right, so I've got 8 plus 10, which is 18. So I'm going to rewrite this as 18 times 5, all divided by 2. 18 times 5 is 90. 90 divided by 2 is 45 inches squared. And that would be my area. Okay? Add up the bases, multiply by the height. You do one on your own, and then we will do some practice on this tomorrow. All right, let's say I've got this wonderful rainbow of a trapezoid here. Here's my height. Let's go with 10 feet, 12 feet, and 3 feet. What is my area? All right. Good luck with this. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you all tomorrow.